I'm going to take a look at USRM, currently at 0405. The last time that we took a look at the stock was going to be right here. More importantly, let me go ahead and show you exactly where we looked at the stock. It's going to be at 0380 right here. That's going to be the line. Watch for a break at 04. It can run from there, in my opinion. 04. Resistance at that 04, support at 0267, 0256. And you guys have that gaps down here. I did make marks of the gaps down here at the lower levels, but look at what happened here. The next day you guys gapped up, it kept moving, sustained that gap even with the long candle wick. Today you guys have the full body fill that you're seeing right here. My personal opinion, wait for it to trend down. I think that it's going to trend down and bounce off that 10-day simple moving average. I'm going to put a hold on this one for now. Again, this is very important. You guys that are watching this right now, don't take this the wrong way or thinking that we're negative about it or anything like that. It is very important that you understand right now, USRM, we called this one originally on January 17th at 0044. Remember that. So, don't get mad that I think that it's going to start pulling down here, because if you guys were over on Investors Hangout Live, over here, way down here before this thing even started, everybody started talking about it. It was low volume then, and then pow, it took off from there when we put it on technical analysis alert. So remember, at 0044, now at 4 cents, that is massive gains from that level, originally called on investorshangout.com. Live is where we originally talked about this one. So looking at it right now, my personal opinion, I think that it's going to start pulling down, trending down a little bit to fill them gaps. Volume is starting to drop off. We've seen that the last few days here. It's continued to drop off. So if this volume continues to drop off, it will go down and fill.
Yeah, so I'm not seeing any recent updates on the company as well since the last time we went over it. Well, what I am seeing is, it's more or less doing due diligence on it, because they obviously have a lot of things going on in regards to, like, say, if you go and read the 8K from, let's see, what day was this one? March 8th, I think. Yeah. Right there, you'll see that they were with the sale. They sold equipment, and then now there's going to be, like, certain money's going into all these different things, and then $20,000 per month plus a graduating payment. But then it is this right here. In addition, GACP has contractually agreed to invest an additional $2.5 million to open 10 stem cell clinics in the United States within 3 years. So with a penalty provision. So that they're expected right here, if it falls less than 6 clinics are open within 24 months. There's a penalty if it is less than 6 within 24 months. So they obviously have a lot going on. They plan to expand in the next few years. So this is more or less just something to do your due diligence on and pay attention. So as always, if you have an opinion or you're looking to do more due diligence, go right over to that USRM board on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, time and sales, recent news, filings, financials, buy ratings. And as always, if you have an opinion, share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily over on that message board.
All right, again with the chart, 0427 volume is slowing and gaps are starting to fill, in my opinion. Support at 04 and 0320, resistance at 0481. Again, I'm going to put these gaps in here just so I have them for the record, and I'll read those off to you right here. All right, so the gaps that I have are going to be at 0301 and 0287. 03212 and 0333. So keep that in mind when you're looking for the gaps. Like I said, I really like it for the long term, but I personally think that it's going to pull down to the 20-day simple moving average before it bounces from here. So keep an eye on this one, USRM. If you follow this one, I definitely encourage you to hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. And share this video with all other investors on different forums and message boards and social networks. We'd appreciate that as well. If you have a hot stock that you're following that you would like to share with us and have us take a look at, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live.